na may cease and desist order. If ever there will be operation again and masakpan, we will include them sa filing because that's already a disobedience of a lawful order. It's a violation of our revised penal code. And mas taas ang penalty, anak. Kaysa sa environmental laws or kaning mining act na penalties, bulan din kaya mga 6 months to 6 years, wala na yung gugmay na kayo. Makabail na, makagawas na yun, balik na sa. But this taas-taas ni siya. And that's also, I would like to tell others also, especially kaning ginaparintahan nila ilang mga properties. I believe this area, most likely, iparintahan nila ng properties. So, there is already a cease and desist order that was imposed to them, and then they continue renting it out. We will really run after them, including the landowners. Kaya, if the landowner won't tolerate it, di mag-yun na sila musulod. Di ba? But if they will allow it, and they will sell even their permits, kanang quarry permits nila, well, they are included sa, in cahoots sila or in conspiracy sila sa illegal mining. I think that's karon mas kana mo gabuhaton karon. Being a lawyer also, most na ako ang tatanawon to deter this kind of illegal activity.